Hi everyone, in this video let's see how we can read delimited file and write into an Excel file. I have a delimited file here, sales data. Let me open this file. This is a delimited file, comma separated. I have 7 fields in it. Let me create a job to convert this CSV into an Excel file. Let's create a job. Let's name it as write to Excel file. So I have a comma separated file. I have a delimited file. Let me use t file input delimited to read that file. And location of my file is documents, Talend. It's here. And my field separator is comma. So I have to give comma here. And I have 7 fields here. Let me seven fields. Order date, region, rep, item units, unit cost, and total. Order date is date, items units is integer, and these two are double. And my file has header, so I'll put 1 here. To write data into Excel file, we have to use t file output Excel. So I'm going to use t file output Excel, and here I have to select this to select the file format, and I have to give a location where I want to save my file. Sales data output .xls, and I want to give a sheet name as sales info. I want to include header. Let me connect t file input delimited to t file output Excel. So the schema will be copied from input component to output component. I don't have to give it again. If you see it here, you see schema on the left is input and the schema on the right is output. Let me run the job and see. There were 43 records in the input file. 43 records were loaded to Excel file. Let's look at the Excel file. So I copied it here. This is the Excel file. If we open it, yeah, if we see the sales info is the sheet name we mentioned in the component, and we see the Excel file, it has header and all the records, all the 43 records in it. This is how we create an Excel file. This is how we read a delimited file and convert that into an Excel file. Thank you for watching.